सभी को नमस्कार। इस वक्त हम लोग हैं पाइकारा डैम में। तो ये एक तरह का हम लोग ओटी का एक तरह का वाटर सोर्स का मेन इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्स ये है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये डैम जो है तमिलनाडु ग्रीन एनर्जी कॉर्पोरेशन की तरह ये स्कीम में बनाया गया है। इसको कुंडा ये है और पाइकारा में हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक स्कीम का इसमें इसको डेवलप किया गया है। और ये डैम बना है 1929 में। ये डैम बना है जो लंदन का हेल्प की तरफ से है। लंदन का जो गवर्नमेंट है उनका कोलैबोरेशन की तरफ से ये डैम बना है। ये डैम जो है ये पूरा नीलगिरी ओटीज का एक वाटर रिसोर्सेज का एक मेन वाटर रिसोर्सेज है। इस वक्त हम लोग साथ में एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर और असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर हम लोग साथ में है। तो हम लोग उन्हीं से जानना चाहेंगे कि डैम के बारे में, ये डैम कितना इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों प्ले करता है यहाँ का वाटर रिसोर्स का इसमें। और पावर जनरेशन मेन है यहाँ का। पावर जनरेशन का बहुत ही बड़ा यहाँ में एक पावर जनरेशन प्लांट यहाँ में है। तो हम लोग डिटेल में उनसे चाहेंगे कि किस तरह का फंक्शनिंग है प्लांट। थैंक यू।
This is S. Balaji, Executive Engineer. You have been came to Kunda Hydro Generation Circle, one of the oldest power house we have, 1932 Singara power house, first power house. This is Pykara Micro. It has a capacity of 2 megawatt. It's a dammed storage power house, utilizing the water from Pykara. We have 12 power houses in Kunda Hydro Generation Circle. Installed capacity of 830.52. The old one is 1932 Singara power house. This one is a reaction turbine, utilizing water from Mukurti. There we have two power houses, 2 into 0.35 megawatt, and then from there generation been done and water has been stored in Mukurti, Pykara. From Pykara here 1 into 2 megawatt, and afterwards the water is going to Glenmorgan, and then there we have 1932 plant of 59.2 megawatt, and addition to that a new plant on 2005 push up Pykara ultimate stage hydroelectric power house. It's a tunnel power house with capacity of 3 into 50 megawatt. Both having same reservoir as a source. From there, the water has been utilized, generated, and going to Maravagandi. So there we have 1 into 0.75 megawatt, and then to Moyar. It has been now upgraded to 12 into 3 has been upgraded to 12 into 14. This is the Pykara complex. So similarly, in Kunda we have 6 power houses. There from Upper Bhavani, power house 5, and then Emerald Avalanche, and then 6 to Katukupai, and then power house 1 having capacity of 3 into 20 megawatt, and then power house 2 5 into 35 megawatt 175, and then to power house 3 into 60 180, and then to Pillow 2 into 50 100, and then to it's going to E-road generation Bhavani barrage. Total 800.
Total it is 837.65 megawatt.
So from one project you have this much capacity. It is divided into different power.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes,
we have
yes.
12 power houses, sir.
And how does this power house run? Like, which water is used? Like, which stage?
Sir, this is a Pykara mini power house which is installed capacity of 2 megawatt. It is a single machine. The main upper intake source is Pykara Dam, and the downstream it goes to Glenmorgan Dam. From Glenmorgan, the dam is the upper intake for Push-up and Singara power house, and the lower intake it goes to Maravakandi Dam.
What about dry season and rainy season? What's the difference of generation?
Sir, we have from May 2025 is the regular monsoon here, sir, in Nilgiris district. Till from May 25 to August end, it will be the monsoon season. Throughout the season, our all machines will be operated in full capacity, sir. Around 700 megawatt we will generate it, sir. To avoid the surplus of dams
During rainy season.
during rainy season.
Dry season, mostly
yeah.
this hydro generation is built for peak load.
Peak
demand.
load.
That is morning 6 to 10, evening 6 to 10. And during this summer season, there will be a demand variation peak demands. During that time, the water has been stored at full capacity. During rainy season, we will operate continuously to avoid surplus. The water which is to be can be converted to a generation.
So generation throughout the year is same or is it different?
No, it will be different, sir. In monsoon, there will be maximum generation to avoid
What
that.
is the difference? Like, how much is it? I mean, what is the
Since
power
the sir, if the rainflow comes, the water inflow will come naturally to the dams. So we generate the water to our power house,
Depending
and
upon the
we will send it out, let it out. and after the offset of monsoon, we will store the water in the dam at FRL, and we will operate it for peak hour till the summer again.
So during monsoon, it is always 700 plus megawatts.
And sir, it rapidly varies, sir. It varies.
Depending on grid condition.
Grid condition, and
As per the
maximum the requirement is fulfilled, sir.
Which type of machinery is installed here? You said some.
This is Kep turbine is a mention of Kepler turbine.
Low end.
The make is what is it? Just a minute.
Is it single turbine or budget
Yes,
turbine?
Single.
Your all dams are single turbine. All
Yes, sir, we are having reaction turbines, and then high pressure also, Pelton will we are having. We
Sir,
are having needles depending upon the design, 3, 5, 4, like
sometimes
that.
are 3 turbines.
Needle, no, not like that. For each machine, there will be one turbine only. The needle system will be the water which injecting, the mechanical force which projecting differ depending upon the design of the machine and the location of the machine.
हर गहने में छुपी होती है एक कहानी और हर कहानी को बनाता है खास श्री राजेश्वरी ज्वेलरी।
शादी हो, त्योहार हो, सालगिरह या कोई खास दिन, हमारा विश्वास श्री राजेश्वरी ज्वेलरी।
यहाँ मिलता है आपको शुद्ध हॉलमार्क गोल्ड ज्वेलरी का बेहतरीन कलेक्शन, क्वालिटी जो दिल जीत ले, डिजाइन जो नजरें थाम ले और भरोसा जो पीढ़ियों तक साथ निभाए। श्री राजेश्वरी ज्वेलरी, जहाँ हर खुशी का गहना आपका इंतजार कर रहा है। पता नियर शास्त्री रोड, एबरडीन बाजार, श्री विजयपुरम। कॉल 031922333822। श्री राजेश्वरी ज्वेलरी, आपके सपनों का गहना हर मौके के लिए।
Sir, regarding this Kunda hydro generation circle, it has been 1950. The project has been started in respect of Kunda generation circle. Before that, as I said earlier, 1932 Singara Poros, and then Moyar one thing. That also on 1952. And on that time only, 1950s only, most of the major dams and then power houses has been continuously constructed on this. Power house is mostly, this generation circle is mostly cascading system. What we are saying that the water which has been stored in upper reservoir generated and going to lower, and then there we have one more power house. From there once again generated, like that it has been keep on generating. Nowadays only we are having pumped storage. That too also in under process, where we have in Kadambrai one power house pumped storage. That belongs to Kadambrai generation circle. Here when project is going on 4 into 125 because we are mainly depend on the water, rainwater only. So once we let it out, during next season we can't able to expect that much rain will come or not. So we are nowadays going for pumping station where we can having a upper reservoir, from there generating during peak hour and storing in lower. Then during non-peak hour, the same water has been pumped and stored in. By recycling the same water, we have been keep on generating. This is the latest now going on, sir.
So is there any period for desilting the dam?
Yes, sir. This has been being studied. If ratio is meant to be higher side, that thing will be appraised to the board and that to government, and we will plan according to the World Bank has been giving fund. Based on that, the thing has been execution.
Sir, at present in these power dams under we don't have silt, sir. It is on minimum quantity. We have silt in only in Pillur and Kunda dams, sir. Pillur is a huge quantity, about 60% of silt is there, and we are working on it. At present, before a year we are going for a dredging method, and it is under process, sir. For the desilting, it is a process, under process.
Sir, you said that you pump the water when
Yes.
water is not available to the higher reservoir. So does it not consume a lot of energy? That
Yes,
you
sir. It
create?
consumes.
It consumes, sir. But it's basically on what we have consumed based on that grid frequency. That grid frequency only make the cost of the grid. What we have said, TNAB. During peak season, the frequency will be done, demand will be high. But during night hours, after 10, 11, and then moreover, in particular time, day, they will, in central government grid, they allot some units to the state government. If you have that much not yet consumed means, the excess of energy can be used for pumping. During that pumping, while we are using as generator during peak hours, the unit will be minimum to one unit consumed around to 10 to 15 rupees cost. Whereas while we are pumping to, it will cost to 3 rupees or 4 to 5. Sir. That much difference only.
So you are saying only excess energy is used
Yes.
to pump
Yes,
the water.
yes.
and maximum we will operate it during night
Peak.
hours. And in Kunda, the main important reason is to operate. We are operating at the cost of generation of only 70 paise per unit. Overall,
Cost of production is 70
only
paisa per
70 paise per unit. That is the main advantage in Kunda sector.
It includes establishment and
Establishment,
supervision charge. What that
maintenance,
means? Salary of us, maintenance, all the cost.
all costs included only 70
Only
paisa per
70
unit.
paise.
That is very low.
Yes,
when
very
compared
low.
to
Yes, sir.
irrigation
Yes, sir.
costs. Okay.
That is
Because
the main advantage
fuel
of
cost is
hydro,
not
sir.
there. Because full and full nature.
Natural.
If you are having more that we are having go for a pumping means it once again we can able to reduce the
Is this reservoir accessible by the villagers for fishing and all this kind of activity?
No sir, no sir, no. It's
It is
not.
completely restricted.
For
Restricted.
drinking, they are taking, sir. Since,
Drinking water is
Nilgiris
permitted.
Dependent on our dams only.
And what is the end use of this water? Where does this water end up?
It ends up to Bhavani Sagar Dam, sir. After
Bhavani
the
Sagar,
discharge
Medur.
of Moyar power house, that is the end power house here. That Moyar discharge water goes to Bhavani Sagar.
Likewise
And
in
from
Pilur
Bhavani
also.
Sagar Dam, it goes for irrigation.
Irrigation. Sir, in Kunda mostly this is a non-irrigation plant, sir.
Yes.
This team only having all the plant and dams fully by TNAB and dedicated only for electricity production, not for non-irrigation. Okay, but we are giving from Pillur some MCFT of water do for irrigation also done based on the demand they request
This
by the.
water is also not supplied to the households directly.
No, not like that.
No, sir.
Only for electricity.
Only through
for
Panchayat.
electricity.
No. The drinking water is through Panchayat,
They
local
pumping
public.
it and they keep tanks and it goes to through Panchayat,
So it is
local
basically used for
Panchayat.
drinking water.
Yes,
Only
yes,
for
sure.
drinking water we are
Yes,
there.
sir, yes, sir.
We don't sell to them.
Not other than for any commercial activities. It has
He
not.
doesn't. Does not
All the-
entertain anything, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.